Hose secure, nozzle locked in, time to check the pressure. Pressure's good, safety set, ready to clean. All right, LaFerrari, let's get you back to your glory days. All right, let's get this dirt out. Side next. Come. All right, let's get this crane hooked up. Easy now, right onto the block. Perfect, locked and ready. All right, let's get this engine clear. Slowly now, watch the clearance. Look at all that gunk. Good, hold it there. First of the new pistons going in. Perfect seating. Now for the next one. Routing the new wires now. Connecting this harness to the ECU, and that completes the circuit. One more pass, this frame will hold. loosening the new calipers. Now, securing the bolts with the impact driver. Perfect. The brakes are locked in tight. All right, first the headlights. These are brand new. Next, the wiring harnesses. Everything looks perfect. And finally, the small engine parts, ready for install. You must be perfect. Sewing steadily, tension is key. Connectors are locked in, dashboard install complete. Wiring is connected, perfect. All right, let's test the AC. Fan speed is good. Airflow is strong from all vents. Dashboard display is updating perfectly. All systems check out. Perfect. Well, making sure the seal is tight. Perfect. The LaFerrari's heart is clean again. Connecting to the ECU now, running full system check. Engine data is live, RPM stable, oil pressure good. Coolant and electricals checking out clean. All systems green, LaFerrari is restored. Restoration's complete, time to feel that power. Feel that power! This is incredible! Thanks for watching. If you love seeing these old cars come back to life, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing restorations. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a build or a restoration story. See you in the next video.